In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Compute Subbasin Areas command in GeoSTORM. This tool is used to calculate the drainage area of subbasins after their polygons have been modified or revised to represent the actual shape of the drainage area. To begin, go to the Input ribbon menu, select Drainage Subbasins, and then choose Compute Subbasin Areas. This will open the Compute Subbasin Areas dialog box. In the Select Subbasins section, check the boxes next to the subbasins you want to process, or click the Pick button to select them directly from the map view. When using the Pick option, the dialog box will temporarily disappear and a prompt will be shown on the status bar instructing you to select subbasins. After selecting, press Enter or right-click and choose Done. The dialog box will reappear and the total number of selected subbasins will be displayed at the bottom. Once the subbasins are selected, click Compute. The software will calculate the drainage area for each selected subbasin and update their values in the model. The computed areas ensure that the subbasin polygons accurately represent the true drainage extents, providing reliable inputs for hydrologic analysis.